Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem more codes for Dress to Impress for free items that are not here. So to redeem it, I'll just put the codes down below in the description box so you don't have to search for it. But basically, you're going to want to select this icon over here to the left side. Then you're going to type in the code and press the checkmark button. I've already redeemed everything, well, except for the ones that I couldn't redeem because I was here kind of late. So they have new ones, which are these ones here, and I'll again put it down in the description box down below. This is my favorite code. It is a cat. It is super cute. You can have two options here, and I'll color the eyes kind of green, I guess, and the nose pink. Here you'll be able to color in the whiskers as well. That's pretty much how you can get more items on Dress to Impress. So make sure you type in the codes before they expire. They're not going to be there forever. Some of them are already expired. Well, not the ones that I put down there, but some of them already did. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!